All right, so basically we're moving on to another type of example of what's really amazing about vacuum packing is block cheese. You buy shredded block or shredded cheese like Monterey Jack and Colby and all the different kinds of cheddars and everything, and what you don't really know, not only are you paying a really much higher price per pound based on letting them shred it for you when you can get yourself a shredder like this, which is what we do, and we use this thing like crazy, and is to just buy it by the block like this. And what a lot of people don't know, and we're going to actually put it up on this video and show you, because we don't want you to just trust what I'm saying, I want you to see evidence of it. But if you look at the ingredients of what's, and this says basically it contains milk. You know, this doesn't have, you know, if you look at the ingredients of this right here, as opposed to the ingredients of shredded cheese, of the same cheese, it's not the same. And the reason it's not the same is because they have to put things in that, and that basically it doesn't allow it to clump up or let it get stuck or get it pushed back together and get it to be sticky. So they put things in there. They change that a little bit, and they do that because they have to. It's not because they choose to, but the cheese would not be, you know, edible in the shredded form in the bag by the time you got to it after it had been processed and shipped and everything else. It'd all be sticky and stuck all together in one big clump. So that's why they do it. But you eliminate all those other ingredients and you get a much more fresher tasting cheese, and you basically just do it yourself. That's what we do. Just pick it up. And basically for this, you know, this example here, I'm just going to cut it in half. And when I don't want to use all this cheese. I don't want to expose that much of the cheese to, you know, to air and to the shelf life. That's, you know, it's going to deteriorate after some period of time. So basically, we're just going to put it in a bag and bring it over to the vacuum machine. And then vacuum pack it. Let me show you. So you just set it inside the machine, lay the bag over the seal bar, close the lid, and you're done. It's a very, very simple application. There's really nothing to it. It's very, very simple. And this piece right here, I'm just going to cube it up, small enough to fit through my shredder, get a bowl, and I shred it up. And before I opened it up, it was vacuum sealed. And now, it's vacuum sealed again. No leather in the back. It's tight, very, very tight. You can't even pull that apart. Very good quality packaging, ready to go again. Just put that in the fridge or freezer, you freeze it, thaw it back out, it's ready to go. So, basically, like I said, we're going to grab ourselves a bowl. I'm not going to do all of this, but I'm going to show you how easy it is. I'll do a piece right here just to show you. And it comes with different attachments for different size shreds, whatever you want. Fresh shredded cheese that does not taste like this, doesn't have the same texture this has when you buy it in pre-shredded bags. This is as good as it gets right here.